Hello everyone, welcome back to another chapter of B2B marketing. In the last video, we talked about the people, processes, and proof behind B2B marketing excellence. We also explored how aligning your team, streamlining workflows, and showcasing results can transform your marketing strategy. But here is the thing, even the best strategies won't work unless you truly understand your audience. That's why today we are diving into a crucial topic: business consumers demystified, who they are and what they need. Now, stick with me till the end because the last few points will reveal the secrets to truly connecting with your business consumers, and you will not want to miss them. So, let's start with the basics. Who are business consumers? So, business consumers are not like the typical shoppers you see in B2C or business to consumer marketing. These are professionals, companies, or organizations looking for solutions that help them achieve specific goals. Think about it. When somebody buys a software subscription for their company, they are not buying it for fun. They are looking for ways to improve efficiency, cut costs, or solve a problem. Their decisions are rational, driven by data, and often involve multiple stakeholders. Let's look at the key characteristics of business consumers. First characteristic is that they are goal oriented. Their purchases are tied to specific business objectives. Next is they are risk averse. They need assurance that your product will deliver results. Then they are collaborative. Decisions are often made collectively, involving a buying committee. Then they're well informed. They've likely done their homework before engaging with you. Now, why understanding them matters. So, here's the thing: if you do not understand your audience, how can you craft a message that resonates? So, knowing who your business consumers are and what they need is the foundation of every successful B2B marketing strategy. Let me put it this way: imagine you are trying to sell accounting software. So, if you do not know whether your audience is small businesses or large enterprises, how will you tailor your pitch? So, small businesses might value affordability and ease of use, while enterprises might prioritize scalability and advanced features. Now, see, not all business consumers are the same. To truly connect with them, you need to segment them into smaller, more defined groups. So, how do you do that? So, here is how to segment your audience. First is segmentation on the base of industry. Are they in tech, manufacturing, healthcare, or another sector? Then you can segment them on the basis of company size. Are you targeting startups, small businesses, or large corporations? You can target them on the basis of geography. Are they local, national, or global? Then on the basis of pain points, what challenges are they facing? Is it inefficiency, high cost, or a lack of expertise? Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Let's say you offer project management software. A small design agency might want a simple tool to manage client projects, while a multinational corporation might need advanced features like resource allocation and multi-team collaboration. So it was one of the examples. Now let's try to understand the needs of your potential customer. So once you have segmented your audience, the next step is to understand their needs. And here is a pro tip: their needs go beyond just the product. So let's understand what business consumers really want. First thing they want is solutions to their problems. So they're not buying a product, they're buying a solution. So focus on how your offering can address their pain points. Then they are looking for value for money. Budgets are tight in B2B. So show them how your product delivers ROI. Then they are looking for simplicity. So nobody wants a solution which is hard to implement or use. So highlight how easy it is to get started with your product. Then they are looking for trust as well. Business consumers need assurance that your product works. That's where case studies, testimonials, and demos come in. Now let's look at the decision making process in a B2B setup. So this is where things get a little tricky. In B2B, purchases are not made on a whim. There's a structured decision making process, and understanding it is key to tailoring your approach. So let's look at the typical process. First is identifying a need. The company realizes that there's a problem to solve on or an opportunity to seize. Then they research. They explore potential solution, compare vendors, and gather information. Then comes the process of evaluation. They shortlist options and assess them based on features, cost, and ROI. Then the decision is taken. The buying committee makes the final call. Then comes the implementation part. The chosen solution is rolled out. So this was the buying process, decision making process. So here's a pro tip: be present at every stage of this process. Offer educational content during the research phase, provide case studies during evaluation, and support during implementation. Now, trust is everything in B2B marketing. Remember, these are risk averse buyers who need to justify their decisions to others. So without trust, you will never make it past the evaluation stage. So how do you build trust? First is showcase success stories. Use case studies and testimonials to demonstrate results. Then offer transparency. Be upfront about pricing, capabilities, and limitations. Then provide value before the sale. Share free resources like guides, webinars, or consultations to show you are invested in their success. Now, here's the secret: personalization is not just for B2C. In B2B, personalization can be the difference between winning and losing a deal. So, how do you personalize your approach? First is use their name. Now, address prospects directly in emails or proposals. That helps. Then, tailor your message. Speak to their specific industry or pain points. Then, customize your demos. Show how your product solves their unique challenges. So, when you personalize your approach, you are telling business consumers, we understand you. So, you need to personalize your message. Now, let's look at how to overcome the objections raised by the client. So, no matter how perfect your product is, there will be objections. Now, it's your job to anticipate them and address them head on. So, let's look at some of the common objections and how to address them. First objection is it is too expensive. Now, then you can highlight the ROI and long term value to address this. Second objection is we don't need it right now. So, then you can show how acting now can prevent future problems. The next objection is it's too complicated. Now, then you need to emphasize simplicity and provide a free trial or demo. And this is how you can overcome these objections. Now, all right, here is the part you've been waiting for. Now, these are the insights that can truly transform your understanding of business consumers. These are the insights that can actually make a difference. And we've seen this make a difference in our previous interactions with some of the clients. First is they crave collaboration. Business consumers value partnership, not just transactions. So show them you are in it for the long haul. Then they need proof. So case studies, testimonials, and data driven results are just non negotiable. Then they value efficiency. So time is money. The easier you make the buying and onboarding process, the better it is. Now, did you know that B2B purchase involves 6 to 10 decision makers? Well, that's right. It's not just one person making the call. So, understanding the dynamics of the buying committee is essential. And we will cover this in detail in the next video. For now, just remember each member of the committee has different priorities. The CFO cares about cost, the CTO focuses on technology, and the manager looks at ease of use. So, there you have it, business consumers demystified, who they are and what they need. So, we've covered everything from segmenting your audience to building trust and addressing objections. What's the key takeaway? So, truly understanding your business consumer is the foundation of B2B success. Take some time to reflect on your current approach. Are you speaking directly to your audience needs? Are you building trust with proof? If not, now is the time to start. And guess what? In the next video, we will discuss understanding the roles of B2B buying committee, their roles and influences. So it's a crucial topic that will take your B2B strategy to the next level. So see you there.